Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by National Heroes Circle, and this is a massive piece of land by National Heroes Park. This is where they plan to build a new parliament building. Now look at the size of this property. Now before we do that, I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think it would be better to build an urban center here? The downtown urban center. Look, this is a picture of the Morant Bay Urban Center. And when you're looking at it, just imagine buildings like this, maybe 2, 3, 4 times the amount of buildings at the Morant Bay Urban Center here. This is a game changer for St. Thomas, the Morant Bay Urban Center. You have banks, you have universities, you have commercial buildings, you have the tax office, you have the courthouse, passport office. Now imagine you have fast food restaurants. Imagine a structure like this. One of the buildings could be used for the parliament building. You could have all the government ministries over here, or offices for NHT, NIS. It would be a one-stop shop. Modern infrastructure. Downtown Kingston is old. I mean, even though they're renovating it, it's old. This would be a modern development by Heroes Circle. So guys, what do you think? Now, the latest on the Parliament building is they put it out for tender for somebody to bid on it, and they got one bid. And what they were proposing to build it for is far beyond it was way out of budget from what the government wanted to spend. So it's safe to say I don't think that project is going to get underway. So I think it's time that they look for some other use for this land. Guys, what do you think? They plan to put it out for tender again, but if they got only one bid when they put it out before, then that project, I don't think it's going to work. I think they should look for some different use for this land, and I think an urban center would be perfect. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.